how to create or open Atomic Wallet account. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, launch your Atomic Wallet application on your phone. Okay, here we go. Now tap on Create New Wallet here. Now you have to create a strong password for yourself. So let's enter a strong password. Okay, now after entering a strong password, just tap on I accept the terms of service. Then tap on Set. Then again enter your password in order to confirm it. Now after entering your password, just tap on Confirm. Then you have to wait for a while. Now just tap on Allow for the app to send you notifications. Okay, just tap on Allow. Then you can either copy this QR to your clipboard or just simply tap on Start using Atomic. Okay, now you can see that you have successfully created your Atomic Wallet account. Now you can use it accordingly. You can also log out from your ID if you wish to. So that's all for today, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.